Meet the impressive Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, Google's AI-packed marvels. Hey there, tech enthusiast! Hold on tight, because we're about to delve into the captivating world of Google's latest creations, Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. These phones aren't just devices, they're an experience. Picture AI at the helm, crafting a smartphone adventure tailored just for you. Trust me, you won't want to miss this ride. Beauty meets practicality. Design and display. Imagine a phone that's not just smart but also stylish. Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro fit that bill perfectly. Google's designers have infused these gadgets with a touch of elegance, embracing softer silhouettes, exquisite metal finishes, and eco-friendly materials. Pixel 8, a perfect fit for your everyday adventures. The Pixel 8 feels like it was molded for your hand, with contoured edges and a smaller size compared to its predecessor, the Pixel 7. The 6.2-inch Actua display brings real-world clarity, shining 42% brighter than the Pixel 7's display. Picture this beauty in rose, hazel, or obsidian with satin metal finishes and a polished glass back. Simply stunning. Pixel 8 Pro, a display that dazzles. Stepping it up a notch, the Pixel 8 Pro boasts a 6.7-inch Super Actua display, delivering unparalleled brightness. Even under the sun's direct gaze, your Ultra HDR images will pop with true-to-life brilliance. The matte glass back, polished aluminum frame, and a choice of 3 colors, porcelain, bay, or obsidian, give this phone a touch of sophistication. And here's a neat trick. The Pixel 8 Pro sports a temperature sensor on its back. Quick scans of objects to check their temperature. That's a game changer. Whether it's testing if your pan is hot enough for cooking or making sure your baby's bottle is just right, this feature's got your back. Plus, Pixel's thermometer app might soon be saving your temperature data to Fitbit, pending FDA approval. Camera magic, capturing life's moments. Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro have one-upped the camera game, offering upgrades that redefine photo and video quality. Let's dive into these remarkable enhancements. Pixel 8, your photography sidekick. The Pixel 8 camera system now includes a new ultra-wide lens for stunning macro focus. The redesigned interface of the camera app allows for seamless navigation between your favorite photo and video modes. Plus, with Best Take 1, your imperfect group photos can be transformed into the perfect shot by blending a series of images. Magic Editor in Google Photos and Audio Magic Eraser add to the magic, making editing a breeze and audio in your videos a delight. Pixel 8 Pro, next-level photography. The Pixel 8 Pro's camera system boasts upgrades across the board, delivering even better low-light photos and impressive features. From the main camera to the front-facing lens, everything has been fine-tuned for exceptional results. Pro controls in Pixel 8 Pro grant you the power to tweak settings like shutter speed and ISO, giving you ultimate creative control over your photography. Features that make life easier. The Pixel series just got a lot smarter, understanding human speech nuances like never before. You can now command your Pixel more naturally and even enjoy an improved call screen feature, reducing spam calls significantly. Summarize and translate, a click away. Need a web page summarized? Pixel's got your back. And if you're on the go, it can read aloud and translate web pages for you. It's like having a personal assistant right in your pocket. Enhanced call screen, a spam blocker. Dealing with spam calls? Pixel 8's got you covered. Call screen now filters out those pesky calls, giving you peace of mind. And hey, it even suggests quick replies for simple calls, making life a tad more convenient. Security and longevity, a Pixel promise. We all crave security and longevity when it comes to our smartphones. Google Tensor G3, along with the Titan M2 security chip, ensures your personal information stays safe from advanced cyber threats. Face Unlock has reached the pinnacle of biometric classification, granting access to secure apps like Google Wallet. The Pixel Journey, 7 years of awesomeness. Here's the cherry on top. Google is committed to making your Pixel experience better with time. For the first time ever, Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro users can enjoy an impressive 7 years of software support. This includes OS upgrades, security updates, and regular feature drops. Now that's a promise worth every pixel. In conclusion, Google's Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro are not just phones, they're technological marvels with a touch of elegance and a promise of longevity. With cutting-edge features and a commitment to excellence, they're bound to redefine your smartphone experience. So, gear up for the future, Pixel style.